United States, we measure height in inches, while much of the world measures in centimeters. Let's take a look at how to convert between these units. There's a magic number here as well, and that is 2.54. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. When converting from inches to centimeters, we multiply by 2.54. Let's say someone is 55 inches tall. What would that be in centimeters? You're right. If you multiply 55 by 2.54, you get 139.7 centimeters. If you want to find how many inches something is when given a measurement in centimeters, you divide by 2.54. So if an object measures 100 centimeters, dividing by 2.54 gives you 39.4 inches rounded.